You guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I created this look and thank you for tuning in, okay? I truly appreciate it, baby. I I, I truly appreciate it, baby. Oh my god. Anyway, so I created this look and I hope you guys like it, so stay tuned. Girl, when I tell you this stuff is good, it's good. Get you some. Get you some Smashbox, okay? Get you some. Y'all, sometimes I think it's holy water in a bottle. This stuff right here, get you some, okay? Y'all love doing my eyebrows, as y'all can see. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Look at her shaping that eyebrow. Look at you. Go ahead, comb through. All right, now. Go and do your thing. Girl, you is snatched. Anyway, so we gonna go into this Tarte palette. I love this palette, y'all. And fill them boys in and make them look so delicious. Look at that. Look at that. So I had to add the MAC under it because I just wanted it to pop some more. You know, I want people to see it from a far distance. Like, yes, I snatched my eyebrows. Now I'm blending that in really good. Yes, 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 girl. Blend some more. There you go. Now we're gonna prime our eyes with this concealer. This is LA Girl. Get you some, boo. Y'all, I love this palette. When I tell you the pigmentation is delicious, it's delicious. Okay, like, get you one, girl. Get you one. Blend, honey. Blend. Yes. Blend. Yes. When I tell you this gold was popping, y'all, watch this, watch this, watch this. Look at that. That face expression told you everything. It's the bob.com. Get you a more free palette, okay? Girl, did you know they invented a pressing comb for the eyelashes? Yes, girl. Had to get it. And it works really well. Get you some mascara and you good, girl. guys. I hope you guys love this look because I did it. Okay, your girl did it. She did it. Oh my god. I hope you like it. Oh my god. I truly appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay encouraged. Continue to be you. You are beautiful. You are worth it. And you are great. And I love you. So thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. And yeah, live your best life. Love you.